Hello friends, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to discuss about JVM, JDK and JRE. Friends, we must know what are the basic differences between these three before starting any actual programming. So let us start with JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is an abstract machine. It provides a runtime environment. Friends, when we compile our source code, it gets converted into bytecode. That bytecode needs a runtime environment for its execution. So the JVM does the same thing. It provides a runtime environment for the executable bytecode. Other tasks of JVM include it loads, verifies and executes bytecodes. JVM is also a platform dependent. It depends upon the configuration of operating system. But Java is platform independent. Friends, remember these 2 points. JVM is platform dependent, Java is platform independent. Moving to the next, JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE is actually implementation of JVM, which also provides runtime environment for the executable bytecode. JRE physically exists. This is important one. We can download JRE from the internet and install in our system before starting programming. It contains set of libraries, other files that JVM uses during runtime. JRE also depends upon operating system. Like JD, like JVM, JRE depends upon configuration of operating system. But still Java is platform independent. So friends, JRE and JVM both are platform dependent. Java as a whole is platform independent. Now moving to the next, JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains JRE and development tools. Likewise, JRE it also physically exists. We have to download JDK from internet and install in our system before starting programming. What is the relationship between JDK, JRE and JVM? Seeing the oval diagram, we can conclude that JDK consists of JRE and development tool. JRE further consists of JVM, set of libraries and other files. JVM internally use these files to provide a runtime environment for the executable bytecode. So friends, it is necessary to understand three of them before starting programming in our development environment. Now I am going to tell you where we can install JDK and JRE. Just Google friend, let me type JDK. Here you can see the oracle.com website. Just click on it. See friends, you can download JDK and JRE both by the link provided in this website. After installing in your system, then we can start actual programming. For the programming purpose, I have downloaded Eclipse on my system as a development environment. We can download Eclipse easily from Google. Just type Eclipse on Google. Go to its main site eclipse.org. See friends, on the left hand side, Eclipse is providing different packages. Oxygen Neo, Mars, Luna, Kepler. I have downloaded Eclipse Mars on my system. On the right hand side, there are specifications given for different operating systems. 32-bit, 64-bit, Mac, Linux, 32, 64. So as per specification of your operating system, you can download any of the version of the Eclipse, whichever you want. I have downloaded Eclipse Mars, so I am going to open Eclipse Mars on my system. Friends, Eclipse is a very friendly among the Java developer. In fact, it is used in most of the Java-based software companies. So this is the interface which we get on the opening of Eclipse. At the center part, we write code. When we compile the code, we get the output in console. This is the bottom part, console, from where we can see the output. On the left hand side, whatever the project we will create, the structure will be maintained here. There are other options at the top: file, edit, navigate, search, project, run window. I will explain how to get started with Eclipse, and I will start very basic coding in Eclipse. Till then, friends, goodbye.